everyone. This is Mitchell Kernan from Quality Smart Solutions. Please be sure to check out my newest blog entitled What are HACCP and PCP? As an introduction, HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. PCP stands for Preventive Control Plan. GFSI stands for Global Food Safety Initiative. I'll be going over why you need them and how we can help. HACCP, or Hazardous Analysis Critical Control Points, is a program designed for the evaluation and oversight of biological, chemical, physical hazards throughout the production and life cycle of your product. This would be from raw material to final human or consumer consumption. HACCP plans are tailored to the product and processes of the facility to ensure a high level of food safety for your consumers. And this is broken down into 7 principles. Conduct a hazard analysis, identify critical control points, establish critical limits, monitor critical control points, establish corrective actions, establish record-keeping procedures, and establish verification procedures. Now moving on to PCP, or Preventative Control Plan. This is similar to HACCP as mentioned, but with greater focus on documentation and traceability. This is aimed at controlling and addressing any risk to food or food animals. This process would explain how hazards to your products are identified, prevented, and eliminated to a level that is deemed acceptable. The 4 principles of PCP are: explain biological, chemical, and physical hazards associated with the food or product, document how you will handle each hazard identified, provide a plan, information for development, show how the plan is used and implemented. This type of plan is required to meet the Safe Food for Canadian regulations and is required to hold a food import license. Health Canada has published several helpful guidance documents and policies to help you determine if you need a PCP plan and how to start creating it. And lastly, I'll touch on GFSI quickly, Global Food Safety Initiative. This is a certification and trusted processes for confirming high standards for food safety. The concept is aiming to allow holder and access to multiple markets with this approval. You are required to undergo an audit by a certifying company, and this will go over your internal practices, policies, and facility in order to obtain this type of certification. Having a food safety plan in place is definitely important and often required by regulations. We're happy to help look into your facility's policies, help draft you new ones, and help you meet requirements for Canada and the USA. If you're interested or have any questions, please feel free to visit our website or to contact us at the information provided. Thank you. Have a great day.